Hey, friends. How are we? It's Ash here. I have got me a hot mess express going on here. But guess what? I could not wait to come on to share with you guys July's SVG Club tutorial. So we're making some big changes with the SVG Club, and that's why I'm coming on just really quick to explain kind of what's going on with it and what we are doing starting in July. So if you guys are members now, you kind of got a little bit of a taste of what it's going to be like inside of there. So let's talk about it. We're actually going to have two plans. So if you already belong to, let me get my phone propped up here. If you already belong to the SVG Club, meaning that you can join this now and it's only $10, you will be grandfathered in for as long as you want to be a member in there, and it's $10. As of right now, what we have going is there's going to be a basic plan and a premium plan. And on that basic plan, you are going to get 5 commercial use SVGs, and you're going to get an idea sheet. In the premium plan, you are going to get those 5 SVGs, your idea sheet. There's going to be some other things and other bonuses in there as well, but we'll get into that a little bit later on. You're also going to get a tutorial every single month. The price is going up to $17. So you will get, there's a whole new set of bonuses that are coming out as we go to make this transition. But reason I'm coming to you guys is because if you join right now, you will be locked in at that $10 price, and you will automatically go into the premium package. Does that make sense? So you're only going to pay $10 and you will immediately be moved into the premium package. So you will be getting that tutorial every single month. But the other thing that I had to come on was share with you guys. So this month inside of the SVG Club and in the CMM, it's all about mixed media. And I could not wait to come on. So I've been working on the tutorial this afternoon for SVG Club, and I'll be doing my recording. So I always like to be able to practice my piece first so I know where I need to put things and all of that. So are you guys ready to see? I'm not kidding you. I am so in love with this. I know it's backwards. However, you guys, I went outside to go get this twig in in the alley, the back alley of my building. There's like, I don't even know, there's like this fence row, and it's got a bush there and it's kind of dead, right? So I'm like, oh, I need to go out there and get those. So I have my rusty clothespin. So I have this in one hand. I'm going to go out there and just get this little twig, right? Well, I could not get this thing to bust off. And there comes this little old woman, and she is in her car, and she's coming up the back alley, like creeping all up there. And then she stops, and she's sitting there staring at me. And I could not get this little twig, like broke off of it for 40 hells. And she's just sitting there looking at me. Well, she ends up backing up her car and going through a parking lot, because there I am standing in the middle of the back alley, and I'm like, this won't take me very long. Like, you know, you always think something isn't going to take you very long. Anyway, it did. So just know that there was a little old woman that had to be very patient for me to get the stuff that I needed for this tutorial. But I'm holding this in one hand. I'm trying to get this broke off in another hand. And there she sits just staring at me like, you're an idiot. But anyway, I got the branch, and we got it for our tutorial. Isn't it so stinking cute? You guys, I am in love. So in July, this will release out, and you are going to get, you'll get SVGs like the 31st. Like, here's the, I know this is all backwards to you. You'll get the cutout pieces. We'll go through how to be able to get it attached. Of course, we're going to do this really fun paint technique. And then we will be playing around with mixed media, and we'll go through a whole bunch of different options for you guys too. And then you also will have this new thing that we're doing with the idea sheets inside of the new and improved SVG Club. It is going to be fantastic. So anyway, I just had to come on and be able to share with you guys what we're doing. Oh, thank you, Marla. It matched my shirt. So, you guys have any questions? So you're going to be able to get locked in to the SVG Club now at the $10, and we're going to have all different kinds of new bonuses for you. So if you were to join right now, or if you're a member right now, you're paying $10 a month. You can join and pay $10 a month. You will immediately be grandfathered into the premium, okay? So if you are a part of the SVG Club, meaning you can join right now. So we're giving you guys 2 weeks to get in on this new deal. We've never raised the price. The SVG Club has been around for 5 years. 5 years we've never raised the price of it. We used to do rotating bonuses. Well, we're no longer doing that. Each month you will get 5 commercial use SVGs. You will get a pre-recorded tutorial, and you're going to get an idea sheet that goes with that, along with your supply list and that kind of thing. So the premium, you'll get supply list, you'll get SEO keywords, and an idea sheet, your tutorial, and the SVGs. So if you join right now, you will get all of that every single month carried out for $10. You can't beat it. You cannot beat that. Then we're going to be inside of the premium package. So the premium package, if you don't join in the next 2 weeks, it's going up to $17. It's still worth that. You're getting a tutorial. You're getting commercial use SVGs. You're getting the idea sheet. You're getting keywords. Like, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. So now's the time to join. If you've been on the fence about joining the SVG Club, now's the time. And then what we're doing is we're kind of pairing SVG Club stuff in with our CMM tutorials as well. So if you're like, I really like her. I really like her. I think maybe I want to be able to do like the monthly thing and get some business coaching and talk to her live and answer questions. That's where we do all the goodness with the whole vaults and all the previous tutorials and live tutorials, a little bit of business coaching, all the things are inside the CMM, plus your community and all of that. So if you're wondering, like, well, what's the difference? Like, one's $47, one's $17. The $17 one, which you can be in there for $10. Do I need to reiterate that? You get so much more inside the CMM with all of your vaults, the tutorials, the questions, and the community, all of that. The SVG Club is everything's pre-recorded. It gets emailed to you. You will have a spot on the website to be able to log in. Yeah. So if you join now, so if you were to join today, you could get all of June's, which is the heirloom, rooted in gratitude, that whole thing. I've been posting about it. You would get that. Plus you would get all those bonuses that are already in there. Then next Monday, this would release out with all the new stuff. So if you comment club, which Kathy just did, I need to switch out some of those words because it's stuff that we utilize all the time. And like, so Kathy's already a member, and then my nanny chat is sending her a message telling her to join. So I apologize for that. My nanny chat doesn't know. We just set up keywords, and I need to change those keywords because it's stuff that we use here all the time. Like, you guys are commenting them, so I do apologize. If you do want to join the SVG Club, you can comment club, and it will send you a message. But it's going to be so good. It's new and revised, and that's why I wanted to come on and be able to talk to you guys about this because it's going to be so good. It's going to be so good. So we are super excited about the whole revamp of everything, and it's not the only time I'm going to be talking to you guys about it this week, but truly, if you guys get in now, you're going to be grandfathered in, so why wouldn't you? We're going to give you all until July 9th. That's it. And then you'll never be able to join that club again for $10. Okay? Thank you guys so much for commenting. It will send you a message. It'll kind of prompt you through. So if you were, seriously, if you're to join now, you would get June's, you would get July's, and you're going to get all of the old bonuses and the new bonuses. As soon as Monday hits, this coming up Monday, you'll no longer have access to the old bonuses. All of that is going to be switched out. So really now is like, it's the time. Hey, Liv, how we doing? You guys, look, if you guys are already a part of the SVG Club, This is good. It's just so good. It is so good. Olivia, this would be so good for classes. I am so excited. You guys could do workshops with this. And then we have got, I mean, if it can be cuter than this, I think it might be. We've got a whole mixed media project for CMM this month. So anyway, but this is what I've got. I'm going to be working, I'm going to record. I did the whole prototype. I always do this so I can be Johnny on the spot whenever I'm teaching with the pre-recordings. But I just wanted to come on, share with you all, and you'll be getting a supply list where I get all of my things at. Like, look how cute. We put like little rusty clothespins on this. It's just adorable. You'll get all the cutout pieces and all of that as far as your designs and all the things. Hey, Joni. So we are super excited. I hope you guys are going ahead and get in their comment club. If you want information on the SVG Club and to be grandfathered in, now is the time. Because this coming up next Monday, a week from today, this tutorial will drop for the SVG Club and you get all the things. The mixed media is so cool and it's so trendy. It goes with all the vintagey stuff. And yes, Cindy, it's listed on the website. So it's going to be so good. I hope you guys decide to join because I'm telling you what, this is going to be amazing. I've got some pictures of me and I was trying to put together like a little reel and doing a voiceover and I'm like, I don't have patience for this right now. I was like, my time lapse like showed the entire process and you could exactly tell what I was doing. I'm like, well, that ain't fair to the members, so I better try to cut that out. Then I was trying to do the voiceover, trying to edit, and I'm like, oh, to hell with it. I'm just going to go live and talk to the girls. So you got me live. But I do have some cute pictures with me in this today. I'll get one posted probably tomorrow. But I just wanted to come on and share with you guys. Go get signed up for the SVG Club. I'm telling you, it is going to be a lot of bang for your buck. Comment Club. We'll send you a message. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.